The challenge in our business is to match the user satisfaction with objective scientific proof. We use certified laboratories to judge the quality of our products in terms of performance. The diaper industry isn't subject to regulation, and laboratory test protocols vary between them. The methods used must evolve with the needs of the market, and it is a race against time to adapt the tests to measure product innovations. We at Fippi have been designing and at the same time producing baby diapers for years. We know the production lines, their innovations, and are close to consumers through continuous panels and feedback. We have a research and development laboratory, always active in testing the evolution of raw materials and new technology, and everything is done following tight schedules. The combination of these factors enabled us to be on time with the market and product development. In the case of Dryway, we immediately noticed that the product was well above the actual standard. We have removed unnecessary material on the back. We improved the absorbent material for a better fit between baby's legs. We have included channels that give more comfort and freedom of movement. The combination of these factors ensures the highest performance in terms of losses. Dryway adapts to the baby's anatomy as a real panty. The liquid is immediately captured and distributed on the cellulose and sap core. In our laboratory, we measure these improvements through the tests on the acquisition time. This test is performed to evaluate the time it takes to absorb the liquid. The lower the time it takes, the better it is. The test is performed with 2 electrodes which detect the stream of liquid. Once the flow of the liquid is over, the electrodes send an electrical signal that is expressed in tenths of a second, scan rate of liquid. In the test, we compared our actual standard and the new Dryway. The recorded signal is significantly lower in the case of the Dryway. Better fit and low absorption time aren't the only qualities of our diaper with channels. There is also a greater sense of dryness on the skin, which guarantees the success of Dryway. Also, in this case, the tests done on re-wet in our laboratory prove the excellent performance in line with the feedback of consumers. Our equipment allows us to measure the amount of water captured on a paper towel. Program dispensers, we enter into the product a certain amount of liquid. Let's take a few minutes, wait for the liquid to spread evenly on the diaper, and then use a kitchen paper under a weight. Let's measure the release of the liquid under pressure. We simulate the child during its movements. Also, in this case, you can see that the product Dryway has released less liquid onto the absorbent paper than the actual standard, meaning better dryness. Dryway, it's not evolution, it's revolution.